This man is attempting to handle one of the most dangerous snakes in the world. With calm movements and extreme focus, he carefully restrains the snake, knowing that one wrong move could be fatal. He then tries to extract the venom by guiding its fangs into a secure container.
Okay.
A process used only by highly trained experts. Venom extraction is not only dangerous, but requires years of experience, deep knowledge, and full control over fear. This is not a stunt and not for amateurs. Do not attempt this unless you're professionally trained.